So guys, we start with the leg strength circuits. The legs are the biggest muscles in our body, and we build a strong foundation by training our legs, what are the biggest muscles, and burning also at the same time the most calories, and most of our fat will be burned to our leg muscles. So let's get started. We start with the basic squat. Your feet parallel like that, hands up here, and keep your body engaged, the back straight, so look forward, and when you go down, count like 3 seconds going down slowly. And what's really important when you go down, your knees behind the toes. So your knees behind the toes, and you push to your heels up. Push to your heels, okay? Knees behind your toes, I repeat, and push to your heels, back straight. Keep your body engaged and going up. Then you squeeze all your muscles. You feel it if you do it properly like this. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, after that takes 30 seconds, 10 reps. You make a 30 seconds break. And after this break, you make the next exercise. And we're gonna do 4 to 6 exercises, as much as you can do. And then repeat the cycle again. Whew, okay, now I'm gonna repeat the basic squat again. And you will see at the beginning, you will not go as much deep than me. And that's where the progression comes in, because by doing it over and over again, you become a better version of yourself, you improve yourself, and that's what you want to reach to this workout. And then you can go more down. Oh. So as you see, these workouts are really not easy, there is an effort behind, but that's where the progression comes in. Let's go to the next exercise. That's the wall sit. You look for a wall or a door or any flat surface where you can put your back on. Then you go down, legs, your feet parallel, and you go down up to a 90-degree angle, L shape, and keep your body engaged. Stay like that, and a progression on that will be now front, put your leg up. Keep it for 10 seconds like that, and or 20 seconds, as long as you can, and then the next leg. Put your leg up. Okay. This you do also 30 seconds because it's not dynamic, and you can put one leg up 10 seconds, the next leg up 10 seconds is a progression on that, or even longer. Repeating it every week, you will see you become stronger and stronger. Okay, next exercise is the reverse lunge. That looks like that. 1 foot back, and you go down, but don't push your knee on the floor. Don't touch the floor with your knee. Here the same, knees behind the toes, and go up, and down, and up, and down, and up, and down, and up. This you can do also, that's the reverse lunge as it will be done as basic, going down, up, and down, and up, and down, and up, and then you do it on the other leg, down, and up, and down, and up, and down, and up, and down, and up, down, and up. For that you do again 10 repetitions. Down, and up, down, and up. And you will feel the tension on your legs. And don't go with your knees over your toes, because your knees always behind your toes. After you make 10 reps, you change and do it with that leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you do 10 reps, and progression on that will be that. You go down and up, okay? When you go down and do it like this. That's the progression on that. If you want to have more progression on the reverse lunge, isolated lunge pulse, it's gonna look like that. Pulse, pulse, pulse with the three at the same time. Pulse. It's the curtsy lunge that targets your inner thighs and your glutes. Okay, let's go ahead and show you how to do it. So it's the same like the reverse lunge, but you go like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. Okay, if you want to have a progression on that, then you're going to do it like that. That's going to be some athleticism also. So the next exercise is the sumo squat. The same like the basic squat, knees behind your toes and push through the heels. So I'm gonna go down like this. Keep your body engaged, back straight, chest up. So the next exercise and the last is the hip thrust. Let me show you how. You lie down flat on the floor, put your hands here, but don't push you up with your hands, push you down. Your legs like that, and now don't help here, otherwise you put the hands here, but better put them here on your stomach, and you go up. Or you can put your hands here. Okay, if you want to have a progression on that, let me show you how. You're going to take 2 towels, shirt, whatever you want. Put them like that. You can take a big towel, cut it in 2. A shirt, or whatever, and that you're going to put below your heels. Like this, okay? That you can move. Then you stay same position, straight, hands here, and now you go up like this. Down, up, and reverse. And up like this. Down, up, and back, and again. Down, up, and back. Okay, that was the progression on that. If the workout is too hard, start with 1 circuit. Then go over, I do just 1 circuit now. You see I'm sweating. And you will see next week you're gonna do 2, then 3, then 4. But I recommend you be strong and try to do it with small 30 seconds breaks, full circuit, 4 times. And then you're gonna see progression and it's gonna change your life totally.